Hey guys, welcome. Technical video here. Today in this video, I'll be talking about new release iOS 14.3 beta version on your devices. Right? If you see on screen, I am on settings, right? And if you go to about section, and you see software version is iOS 14.3, and the version is 18C5044F. Right? So currently I'm on iOS 14.3 beta first. So let's talk about the update size. So this is the update size for my iPhone SE 3.5 GB, right? And I'm using my iPhone SE for this testing because my earlier I was using my iPhone 7 for all the beta testing, but that was my primary device which I using for daily uses. And as you all are aware that all the beta versions are laggy and very buggy, and that makes your device very slow. So it is very difficult to use the device for my daily uses. So from now onwards I'll be using my older device, okay, until it supports beta testing. I'll be doing video on this device. Okay, once it stops supporting all the latest iOS versions, okay, then I will change my device. So until then, for all the beta testing will be done on this device. So let's start and see what are the new features in this iOS 14.3 beta 1. So let's start. The first feature I will be talking about is mirror front camera or mirror front photos. If you go to settings, scroll down and open your camera option, and if you see here something called as mirror front photos. So this feature allows user to take mirror selfies like exactly as shown on the screen while taking a selfie. I'm talking about this update or feature now because earlier this update or this feature was available only devices above iPhone 10R, but after iOS 14.3 beta 1 it is made available on the older devices as well. So all the older devices will get this feature and they can take a mirror selfies from a front camera. It is a really good update for all the older devices. The next feature I will talking about is Apple ProRAW support for iPhone 12 and the 12 Pro. So if you shoot your or capture your photos in DSLR camera, you will be aware of raw images, right? Similarly, that feature is available on iPhone 12 and 12 Pro as well. So if you see here, if you read here, it says that show camera control for ProRAW. ProRAW is a 12-bit file that uses linear DNG format to retain more information and dynamic range in the file, providing additional flexibility when editing exposure and white balance. Each file is approximately 25 MB. Right, the size is just like your raw images from a DSLR camera. As we all know that DSLR camera captures far better photos than any mobile devices because it captures raw images in a high definition. So similarly, iPhone 12 will start capturing raw images with this feature. So this feature is far beneficial to all the photographers because it will be capturing raw images and which are very beneficial or very useful for editing purpose. So whenever we edit the raw images and export them, it will look more better than any other regular JPEG images. Okay, so it's a really good feature and very beneficial for all the photographers. And this is like adding a DSLR feature in your mobile device. So iPhone 12 will be capturing raw images just like a DSLR camera. The next update or next feature I'll talk about is PS5 Controller. So now you can use your dual sense controller for PS5 in your iPhone 12. This is a really good or amazing feature or update for all the gamers who are using their iPad or iPhone as a game controller. So from now onwards they can start using their iPhone devices as a PS5 controller for playing the games. This is a really good update for all the gamers for PS5. The next feature I will talk about related to a health app. So in the health application there is a new update regarding your pregnancy. So from here user can track a pregnancy data or a pregnancy period in a weeks, month or years. So it's a really good feature for tracking the pregnancy period of the user. The next thing or the next update I'll talk about is your default search engine. So if you go to settings application, scroll down and open Safari, and here open search engine. There are new thing added. So from now onwards you can choose any search engine as a default in your Safari browser. This is a new thing, and you can choose your favorite search engine as a default in your Safari browser. This is a new update and it is really good for more options. After updating iOS 14.3 beta 1 on a device, if you open App Store, you get this screen, okay, and it says that what's new on the App Store and the arcade, and you use the app privacy details, and it says that learn how developer may handle your data on the app products pages so you can protect your privacy. This is a new screen you get about privacy. Just click continue and you are on the App Store. Earlier there was an issue with the app clips, okay. Now after iOS 14.3 beta 1 update, it is said that, okay, I have not experienced it, but it is said that the app clips are working properly and there is no issue in downloading the app clips for the usage. So the app clips are working properly in iOS 14.3 beta 1. The next update is about your shortcut app. If you open shortcut application, go to add, okay, and search for a wallpaper. If you go and search for wallpapers, now as you can see on screen, now you can set a wallpaper for your devices through a shortcut application. This feature was removed earlier, but now it is back on your shortcut application. From now onwards, set a wallpaper using a shortcut app on your devices. Talking about AirTag, the leaks or the update says that AirTag support is enabled now and it will be available sooner than it was predicted. In coming days or coming month of the 2021, it will be available across the devices. And friends, now let's talk about the main point, that is how iOS 14.3 beta 1 doing on my iPhone SE. I know this is the first beta, so surely there will be glitches and bugs. But hardly a day passed, I have installed this update on my device. So it's very too soon to judge or give a feedback on this update. So I will wait for a few days, like 1 or 2 days, and I will make a follow-up video. For the follow-up video, please subscribe so you don't miss the video. So coming days, I'll make a follow-up video and let you know how my device is responding to me and the battery performances. Till then, if you like this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.